In this video, I'll guide you through inserting a signature in a PDF. First, open a web browser and search for Adobe Sign PDF. Adobe offers an online PDF filer. Navigate to the Adobe website, select your file, and upload it. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview on the right. Sign in with your Adobe account or create one. Alternatively, sign in with other platform. Then locate the Fill and Sign Yourself section on the left and click on Add Signature. You can type your name, draw it, or upload an image. After saving your signature, you can edit its position and size. To download the signed PDF, click Download at the top right, and there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.